I think it's just the perfect marriage of like my love of camping and my love of like vehicles, cars. I love tinkering, working on cars. Sort of the gearhead meets outdoorsman.
We've been quarantined and locked in the house for 80 plus days. Yeah. And so this trip is the first time that we've really gone out of the house at all.
We've been playing in the Appalachian Mountains since we were in high school. We've done rafting, canoeing, camping, backpacking. So this seemed like the natural next step. It's just a lot of fun being outside and living out of the truck.
This episode of Mountain State Overland is presented by OK Four-Wheel Drive, serving four-wheel drive enthusiasts since 1979. Midland USA, pioneering two-way radio technology for over 50 years. And Bill Stein, revolutionizing dampening technology for over 60 years.
Oh, sweet. What y'all thinking so far?
Oh, man.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm enjoying stretching the legs on this suspension and stuff.
Could you hear the water like lapping up against the doors?
Yeah. Last time I went through stuff like this, I lost a bumper. So
did you?
Like, oh, yeah, it's great. It was great.
We liked it. We loved it last time. We enjoyed everything, the experience, the people, everything.
Yeah, I mean, just being out here in wilderness, it's an epic adventure every time. Even if you revisit a spot, a road, it's just awesome.
We found a cicada still inside its shell. It was really creepy. And gross. And we skipped rocks. And I found a salamander or an orange lizard. I don't know what that thing was. What did you name it? I named it Jeff. I thought you named it Big Joe or something. Big Joe. It's tiny.
Well, we're stopped and having a little snack. So we're going to climb up above the Blacksburg Pembroke area. And then we're going to be traversing the ridge line Making our way past Mountain Lakes Resort, where Dirty Dancing was filmed, at least part of it. And then we're going to be going to Kairos Wilderness Resort. We're going to boogie a little bit on 460 so we can get there and enjoy camp tonight. But more four-wheel drive and more action. Gotta get these people fed first.
Coming down from New York City through those Carolina trees. Hey Georgia, did you miss me? I'm faster than the breeze. I've been running down these back roads like a traveling man will do. I keep on punching on this time clock. I work on a dream and I pay my dues. There's money left in Memphis if a man can't sing the blues. I caught some hell in Birmingham when a woman made me choose between the leaving and the staying. I did what a traveling man will do. I keep on punching on this time clock. I work on a dream and I pay my dues.
It was incredible. The best day of wheeling yet. Saved the best for last, I guess.
How about coming up them hills?
That was a climb, but it was fun. Four-wheel low the whole time, pretty much. It was a good day.
What you got there, bud?
Rice and bison.
Rice and bison. Sounds good. How'd you like today?
Good.
What was your favorite part?
Probably eating this dinner. It's really delicious.
You know, Justin's lived in Virginia his whole life. I've lived here 30 plus years. And we saw parts of Virginia today and West Virginia that we've never seen, and we never would have had a chance to see had we not done this trip.
Yeah, why overlanding? Just because you can get out to, you know, beautiful places like this and be completely quiet, but the sounds of nature, so it's, you know, good time to reflect on absolutely everything and just enjoy nature.
Had a big time in Baton Rouge, and Texas got me tipsy, California got me loose. I found love in South Dakota, so I brought her home with me. I keep on punching on this time clock and working on this dream, and I keep on rolling up and down these interstates. I got to keep on going till I hear my name at heaven's gates. It's all bright lights and gasoline, truck stops and coffee beans. I believe in what I do, and that's the truth.